The Interior Architecture course in Pearl Academy is a 4 years BA Honours degree course validated by the Nottingham Trent University, UK. That also means that we are actually pursuing a kind of a curriculum which is rather global, definitely evolved in the European countries, and is very career specific. It's actually a kind of a spatial design which uses architectural principles to articulate a space, make that space workable, it's functional, it tries to optimize financial deals, it talks about services, it talks about aesthetics obviously, not necessarily a very artistic way of trying to make a space look better, but actually a way so that a space can actually work better.
At IID course, in level 1, students handle residential projects. In level 2, they handle commercial projects. In level 3, they handle industry internships as well as a final thesis project which they choose on their own. At the end of the course, graduates are able to handle a wide spectrum of projects. It could be residential, it could be commercial, it could be institutional. They're able to handle anything.
Level 4 was one of the finest experiences we've ever had, and it was called internship because we were given real industry look. And there were real clients, there were real needs, there were real design processes we were involved in, and to work under a reputed firm gives us a lot of skillful things which we never had as a real experience.
The students are basically trained in team spirit and conceptualization, how to work with models, how to work with an architect, interior designer. Basically here we believe in nurturing students' mind to make them independent.
When students graduate, they're able to fit into any demand where space and design are required. For instance, it could be residential design, it could be commercial design. So it all depends on what kind of opportunities you can get, and you can fit in anywhere.
With your skills, like for example drawing, etc., you can actually take up those areas which are very specialized to a skill-oriented people. I know of architects and interior architects who have gone into high level of illustrations using their AutoCAD skills, using their sketching skills, using their calligraphic skills, and so on. There are also people who have gone into entrepreneurship, like designing of furnitures, and not only designing, even making them on their own. And there are various kinds of things. Now that option is huge.
With a course like Interior Architecture and Design from Pearl Academy, I think I see myself as a great interior architect in future, and I hope the best for the future.